Hi everyone, welcome to Pearl's Kitchen. Don't think who's your true friend, but rather think whose true friend you can become. Amen. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy recipe. It's called coconut ice, and in India you would call it coconut burfi. It's really simple to make. In the karai I've got 1 teaspoon of ghee, and in this bowl I've got 200 grams of desiccated coconut, that's around 2 cups, and I've got 250 mils of milk in there, and I've got 1 cup of sugar, that's around 200 grams. If you've got a sweet tooth you could put 225 grams. And in here, I know you can't see, but I've got some rose water. We'll only need a few drops, and I've got some color. We'll also need only a few drops. And this little bit of coconut here is for decoration, and also cashew nuts, whole cashew nuts for decoration. You could use almonds if you want. We need 2 bowls, and I've got a tray here, and that we need to set the burfi in, and I've put greaseproof paper on it, and I've put some ghee on top of the paper. Okay, to begin with, as soon as your ghee in the karai gets hot, we need to roast the coconut first. So make sure, because we don't want the coconut color to be changed, we need it white. So make sure your gas is on a low. So we're going to add all the desiccated coconut in there, and now you keep stirring it, because if you stop stirring it, it'll start to burn and change its color. Keep stirring it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. You can see now it's been roasting for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we need to add the milk, and now keep stirring it, and you'll see that all the coconut will absorb all the milk, and the gas is still on a low heat. And my milk was, I boiled the milk and cooled it down, so it was room temperature. So keep stirring it till you see all the milk, the coconut absorbs all the milk. As you can see, the milk has all been absorbed by the coconut, so we can now add the sugar and keep stirring it. And even though it's dry at the moment, the sugar will release its water, and then it will start becoming liquidy again. So keep stirring it, because we need all the liquid. When the sugar releases its water, we need that also to be absorbed. Now I've been stirring this for at least 4 minutes, and you can see all the sugar water is also dried up. We don't want it absolutely dry, and we don't want it moist either. So when you press it, you can see moisture, then keep going. But like I can see now there's no moisture left in there. So now we can put the gas off now, and then we can just bring it here, and then now we're going to empty it out in these. We need the bigger portion, like divide it into half, but the smaller half put separate and the bigger half put separate. Put them in the bowl. Okay, now that we've put it in 2 bowls, so the smaller portion, we need to add some color in it. Just a few drops to make it pink. And now in there you add a few drops of rose water. And you keep that aside now. Okay, now that we've done that pink, and now the white portion, you need a tray. You can take a smaller tray. Maybe my tray is too big. And you can put it in the middle. And now you need to sort of form it into a square. If you want to make it a bit thinner, just press it down a bit, because you have to put the pink layer on the top as well. Okay, so make it as square as you can, so it's easier to cut. And now we put the top layer. Children just love this because of its lovely pretty color. You could make it any color. You can ask your children, they can help you and decorate this. Just make it as even as you can before you start pressing it down. Right to the edges, and then you take the spoon and now you press the pink color on it as well. Okay, and then roughly you'll know, when is this? Roughly you'll know how many squares you're going to cut. So if I do 2, if I make small burfis, so then I'll just put 1 in each square. Press that down. Okay, just press the cashew nut into the burfi, so when you put it in the fridge to set, it won't come off. And that's your lovely pink coconut ice. So now this needs to go in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. Okay, it went into the fridge very quickly and it came back because silly me forgot to put the dry coconut for decoration. So this is just so it looks nice, and that's it. Now you can put it in the fridge. So it goes in the fridge and we'll see you then. Okay, our coconut ice has had 4 hours in the fridge now. You could keep it between 4 to 5 hours. And the best way to cut it is, to give it a clean cut, is use a hot knife. So I filled a jug of water, hot water, so we can have a clean cut. So you just take the knife, and now you roughly know where the cashew nuts are. And then put it back in there. And then give it another cut. And put it back in there. And then you could cut this in squares or triangles. Keep going till it's all cut. Once it's all cut, then you just lift up one of the burfi. That's how it should look like. Most of it white and a little pink at the top. And you just put all the pieces onto the plate. Now that it's all on the plate, that's how beautiful it looks. You can see. And like I said, it's so easy to make this. And it's actually fun to make it with children because they can choose their color, whatever color they want to put on it. And so I hope you all like it when you make it. And don't forget to share my link with your family and friends to subscribe. And don't forget to write your comments below what you think about it. And you go and enjoy this, and I shall see you next time with some more delicious cooking.